Today I'd like to talk about Alba's Code of Conduct. If I look at the Code of Conduct, to me this is our guide for how we should do business. We want to do business ethically, we want to be honest, we want to be transparent. And how is this built? This is built on trust. So for the Code of Conduct to be effective, we have to have trust within the company, along with our customers and our suppliers. So the Code of Conduct is the foundation and is our guidebook for this. So I would ask you become familiar with the Code of Conduct. Again, I think it's a very important document. We have many resources to help you. We have the integrity line, you have go through your managers, we have internal audit. Myself, I have a very open door policy. So in terms of the Code of Conduct, we want you to really use it, and really it should be the foundation of how we do business. And please use the Code of Conduct every day, all the time.
We respect the beliefs and religious practices of people of all faiths. It is the responsibility of each one of us to honor and respect the right of others to practice their religious belief and freedom.
We seek to provide a work environment that is pleasant, healthy, comfortable, and free from intimidation, hostility, or any other offensive behaviors.
Our employees are our greatest assets. All decisions that directly affect any employee's employment status will be fair and equitable.
Our aspirations are simple: to achieve zero injuries and work-related illnesses, and to ensure the protection of the environment wherever we conduct our business.
We are all expected to be in a suitable mental and physical condition while at work for the effective and safe performance of our duties.
The responsibility of every one of us is to understand and obey all the laws and regulations applicable to our role, and report any occurrences or circumstances that may have legal implication to the Alba legal manager. We encourage all to assist in the welfare of our society and take part in discussions and activities designed to solve problems within the community.
We all have a responsibility to work in Alba's best interest, and therefore must avoid situations and actions that may constitute or create a conflict of interest.
In principle, there is nothing wrong with receiving or giving gifts. But gifts or entertainment of significant value, or which create a conflict of interest, could impact our company's reputation. So please follow the expectations enshrined in the Code of Conduct in this regard.
We will at all times act honestly and with integrity, and safeguard our assets and resources for which we are responsible.
All information that we create, whether financial or non-financial, on paper or electronic, must accurately reflect transactions or events.
Many employees have been placed in positions of trust, in which they have access to data and other types of sensitive information that are confidential or personal in nature.
Our IT system belongs to the company and should be used only for Alba's purposes. In giving employees and authorized contractors access to systems and technology, we expect them to use it responsibly.
We seek to develop a positive relationship with members of the media, government officials, community leaders and business partners. To ensure constant communications with all of our audiences, it is critical that these communications are managed in a coordinated way.
Every employee should feel secure in raising a concern. Alba will not tolerate retaliation against anyone who raises a concern in good faith. Speaking with your line manager is usually the best place to start. You can also speak with any member of Alba's Integrity Task Force, which consists of the Chief Internal Auditor, the Chief Admin Officer, and the Legal Manager. If you feel uncomfortable speaking to someone face-to-face, you can always use Integrity Line, which is Alba's confidential reporting hotline. To contact Integrity Line by phone from within Bahrain, please dial the number that appears on screen now. At the prompt, then dial the following number. To contact Integrity Line from outside Bahrain, please dial the number that appears on screen now. You can also contact Integrity Line by logging on to www.alba.ethicspoint.com or our website albasmelter.com. More information about Integrity Line, including these contact details, can also be found in your copy of the Code of Conduct.